Dear students, this is an exclusive session. Those who are preparing for EY Tech Hackathon 6. The importance of EY Tech Hackathon 6 is like EY, one of the popular company. The company will be recruiting through hackathon because nowadays they have changed the strategy. They want the people, those who are really innovative. So to test your like a novelty and your skills, they used to conduct Tech Hackathon 6.0 here afterwards. So here I would like to suggest you some important strategy so that you can clear the interview without any issue. So if you watch this video completely, surely you will be getting an idea how to clear the recruitment conducting by EY. Let's get started without wasting further time. First of all, who they are? What about EY? Do you know anything about EY? Before appearing interview, make sure that you should know something about the company, those who are the who is recruiting you. First of all, you know the full form of EY. Ernst and Young, that's a full form of EY. It's a MNC, like a big four global professional services firms. Headquarters is located in London, United Kingdom. It operates, you can see over 150 countries with more than like uh, these many employees, 4 lakhs. You can see around 4 lakhs employees worldwide. So you can see the strength of the company. Once you get a job, so your life is settled. Similarly, they are working in the domain of assurance, especially audit, tax, consulting, and strategy and transactions. So EY focuses on helping the business grow, innovation, digital transformation, and sustainability. They are also focusing on sustainability in the sense they are working on like a smart building and energy, etc. EY purpose is building a better working world. That is a major motto of EY's company. Similarly, they are following ethics, inclusive culture, and focus on the technology-driven solution and data analytics. Nowadays, they are focusing on AI, cybersecurity, and cloud consulting as well. So, if I talk about like India, the Indian big, EY works with the leading organization across industries, provide end-to-end business services, also like a technology, financial advisory solution, etc. These are the major services. They are mainly service-oriented company. So, of course, if you get a job, that is really great. You can work in India also. So those who wanted to shift to abroad, that is also one of the best possibility if you join in EY. So like how we get like a job in the company as an entry level. So you people are belong to final year students. So what you can do is so you should clear the hackathon. That is very very important. So let us move on the basic understanding of Tech Hackathon 6.0. EY Tech Hackathon EYC is a national level hackathon challenge where the students are solving the real world business problems. Even why it is important? Because direct internship or placement opportunity will be given by EY once those who are clearing Tech Hackathon 6. Certificate will be provided. Even the cash price is really wondering 5 lakhs rupees. Even you can compensate your tuition fees and exposure to the global mentors. That is also plus point. Huge advantage on your resume. Once you clear the Tech Hackathon 6.0, definitely your resume goes up. Definitely resume is actually like a high value you are able to get. What are the procedures? One is online registration, hackathon, and then afterwards short on like online test and technical aptitude and screening. Thereafter, interview rounds. It includes technical, HR, and behavioral skills, and the final selection and offering the internship. These are the major process. So kindly go through all the steps very carefully. Of course, you can get in EY. How to prepare and clear the hackathon? Number one, form a balanced team. You have to make 3 to 4 students, mix of coders, designers, presentees, etc. So those who are doing in code, one person should be there. Those who can do the design, another person, and those who can speak well, third person. So each members should have able to take the lead coding, research lead, problem analysis, even presentation leads, slides and speaking up, and it conveying others, testing and documentation support. These are the very important things you should maintain. Choosing the right problem statement, that is very important. So find out the area. You just visit the website of EY and you can check out what are the area they are looking for. That kindly define the problem where they are looking for, especially real world business problem and technical challenges. So you can focus on the topic like AI and data analytics, even sustainability and green technology, especially electric vehicle, cyber security and privacy, blockchain in supply chain, especially in banking sector, fintech, health tech or smart city solution. That is also most important. Nowadays, people are looking for AI-based energy saving system for manufacturing plants. This is one of the example. Even mechanical students also come into picture in this domain. So if I talk about how to structure your hackathon submission, EY generally express the following stages. One is problem statement, whether the candidate is given the real world problem or not, they are going to check. Even solution overview, what is a viable solution they have provided. Technology stack, and which tells you will get like a different type of platform like a Python, machine learning, IoT, blockchain, etc. Innovation, what makes you idea is different. Even impact and feasibility, how you can solve the real world problem. Prototype and demonstration, whether your idea can be converted into prototype or MVP. Then pro tips, use Canva or PowerPoint for the clear idea presentation. Then slide, simple problem solution, technical demonstration, impact. This is normal flow you have to follow. Keep your video pitch less than 3 minutes. Moving on to step number 4, technical preparation topics for EY. So EY mainly looking for those who can capable of doing the real world problem. So logical reasoning and applied technology is mandatory for joining in EY. So they are mainly focusing on those domains. So important technical areas, programming languages. Anyway, you should be expert in Python and Java, C or C++ basics you should have. Be able to write and clean and logical code. If you don't know the code, leave it. You can at least you should produce the logic properly. You have to think once. Data handling analytics, those who know the Excel, Power BI basics, then structured query language, data visualization, those candidates will give more preference. Then understanding how the data can improve the business decision. Similarly, AI/ML concept basic is required. Linear regression, classification, clustering, basic modeling, building, etc. You should have a better idea. Cloud computing basics, basic idea of AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, etc. Cybersecurity and networking for technical oriented roles. Encryption, authentication, basic OIC model. Those things are common thing you should know. So you might have studied in computer networks. Then software engineering and SDLC, Agile, Scrum basics, and testing types. These are very important for software engineering. Then business awareness. EYs works on the areas like consulting, tax, audit, technology, transformation, etc. How a technology is changing business, especially in the domain of AI, blockchain, automation, analytics, etc. These are the major area you have to focus well. So prepare the according to JD, you have to focus. Similarly, how to prepare for EY interview and hackathon. So they will test your project understanding, coding logic, and problem solving. Once you develop the coding during hackathon, they are going to ask how do you develop the coding? Ready to explain your hackathon idea in detail. So what was your role? What technology did you use? What problem did you solve? And what are the challenges do you face during implementation? Revise database management, OS, DSA basics, OOPS, and Python. Please repeat frequently so that you can get a good score in the technical. That is very important. Even try to plan for one industrial visit also. Okay, at least if you have a industrial visit related to similar kind of domain, it will be really helpful for you. Similarly, technical questions. Explain your hackathon project with a simple terms. What is your favorite programming language? You have to justify it. Why? How did you optimize your slow running program? So, is there any technique to adopt like a slow running problem? What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? Basic questions. Explain real business case where the technology can improve the efficiency. You can give the suggestion. Regarding the HR or behavioral round, they are going to test your communication, attitude, teamwork, and leadership potential. These are the major things. You should answer it very bold. Tell me something about yourself. Why do you want to work at EY? You find a valid reason for that. Because it's a core domain. My dream is to become a core electronics and communication engineer. I wanted to work in a core domain. Right now, I got a very good platform to work in a better place to get placed at the earliest. Tell me about the time when you solve the problem as a team. Okay, teamwork. This is regarding the teamwork. How do you handle pressure or deadline? Okay, so how you are going to meet the pressure or deadline? Then managing the pressure is very important nowadays. What are your strength and weakness? Use STAR method: situation, task, action, result. That is very important to solve this issue. That is regarding the HR round or behavioral round. Smart study plan. So if you have at least 3 weeks, you can follow this study plan. Understand the hackathon terms. Okay, so sustainability, AI, analytics, cybersecurity, etc. So the day 4 to 7, go for like a brainstorm and a team formation. Shortlist 2 ideas, research their feasibility. 8 to 14, 2 weeks time. Build a prototype, use Python, Power BI, or simple web application. 15 to 18 to prepare the presentation, slides, script, short videos, etc. 1921, new like a hackathon review. Practice the presenting idea to friends and teachers. That's a great idea. Nowadays, people are ready to listen to you. Then post hackathon interview preparation, resume building, updating the resume, reducing the page size, and update and mock interview, technical interview. Those things are very important. So these are the important point corresponding to the smart study plan. It is mandatory. So without like just getting uh, like uh, more time, without spending more time, it is too difficult. So final success tips, register on time, that is most important. Otherwise, you may not get the opportunity. Work smart, no complicated. Even a small idea can win if it is clear and innovative and meaningful. And speak confidently during the presentation. Don't lose your confidence. Okay, so, speak up properly. Clarity matters more than jargon. Then revise the core programming, business logic, and basic analytics. During the interview, show the team spirit and curiosity and learning attitude, and to get the how you are going to coordinate others, so that's also matters. Okay, so during the interview, team spirit, curiosity, everything they are going to check out. So this is actually the brief idea about how to clear the interview conducting by EY. Okay, so you prepare these topic very well. Apart from that, try to solve more number of problems. Okay, that is more like most important. You should have a better idea about the programming. So prepare well. If you have any queries, you can use your comment box. I am going to revert. So regarding the problem also, if you have any queries, so please go through it, and so please let me know. So kindly go through all the content properly and you can prepare accordingly. So surely you can clear the interview if you follow the strategy. So I wish you all the very best. Happy learning. Prepare very well for EY. It's a one of the like a dream of us. If you settle once you settle over there, you can retire from there because it's a very good company. You can get a very good experience as well. Okay, in financially as well as even your personal growth. Also, both the things will happen, and you will be having a great career ahead. I wish you all the very best. Happy learning. Have a great day. Thank you.